Simplify. Root 3 plus root 5, all divided by root 2 minus root 7. Solution. Now we have root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 2 minus root 7. In this case, the denominator is irrational, so we need to make it to be rational. Let's look for the conjugate of root 2 minus root 7. The conjugate of root 2 minus root 7 equals to root 2 plus root 7. So we are going to use this to multiply both numerator and denominator. So we have root 3 plus root 5, then multiplied by root 2 plus root 7, divided by root 2 minus root 7 into bracket root 2 plus root 7, because we are using this to multiply numerator and denominator. So for the numerator, we are going to expand the bracket. And how can we achieve this? We use the first term here in the first binomial sort to multiply what we have here. Now, root 3 times root 2, what are we going to have? We have root 6. That is this one multiplying this first. Then this same root 3 multiplying root 7. What do we have? We have root 21. Now we have used the first term here. Now we use the second term to multiply root 2. What do we have? That is root 5 times root 2, that is root 10. Then we are going to use same root 5 to multiply root 7. And that will give us root 35. All divided by what? Now what are we having here? This is root 2 minus root 7 multiplying root 2 plus root 7. These are conjugates. So in this case, we apply the principle of difference of two squares. In that case, we have root 2 square minus root 7 square. These two will go with the square root. These two will also go with the square root. We now have root 6 plus root 21 plus root 10 plus root 35 divided by what? 2 minus 7. In this case, we now have this to be equals to root 6 plus root 21 plus root 10, then plus root 35, divided by what? 2 minus 7, that is minus 5. So we are going to write these as a partial fractions. In that case, we have root 6 divided by minus 5 plus root 21 divided by minus 5 plus root 10 divided by minus 5, then plus root 35 divided by minus 5. So we can now write this as what? Minus 1 over 5 root 6, then plus divided by minus also. Minus 1 over 5 root 21, plus divided by minus is also minus 1 over 5 root 10, then we have minus 1 over 5 root 35. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.